Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about we are going to discuss about manpower planning, recruitment and selection, total units summary. We know that manpower planning is also called as human resources planning, means recruiting of right person at a right job in a right place in a right manner. Means you are going to select the people on the basis of organization requirement. On the basis of organization requirement, the best designation you have to provide to the best individual that you are going to recruit. See, the manpower planning has to think on the basis of organizational requirement. Means suppose you are going to recruit, you have to first check over current manpower inventory and employment programs or any training programs, and does the present employees are sufficient or not. You have to take in all these things into consideration. And human resource planning is it is having its own systematic approach, and it is better. We are having a steps in manpower planning, such as uh, basing on the type of organization, basing on the department wise, and basing on the quantity of the department. All these things you have to taken into consideration. We know we are having top level, middle level and bottom level. So on the basis of the levels of management in which department we are having vacancies, and which level, each and everything we has to take into consideration. And workload analysis and workforce analysis is to be taken into factors, and budgetary selection it has to take, and planning analysis, all these things is to be taken into consideration. And he has to design some training programs to the existing employees and upcoming employees also. And he has to develop some motivating factors so that you can maintain a better human relationship in the organization. If a HR is failed, then the main reason is that you are not maintaining a better human relationship in the organization. And why it is important, why human manpower planning is important, because it majorly the point is productive and optimum utilization of resources. This is the basic concept of manpower planning. Productive means he has to get high services, or he has to get the best from the employees. That is productive factor. And resources is to be less, you have to utilize the resources very less. So that is productive production, or productive in efficient manner, in utilizing of resources less. And what is the need of manpower planning? Majorly, you required manpower planning concept is whenever the organization is going for diversification factor, or whenever the organization is going for training programs. All these things you have to taken into consideration. Thank you.